What's up, guys? Doing a video on this new shotgun that I purchased. It was made by Union Machine Company. Um, the company was back in the 1800s, and I believe they shut down around 1894. But I could be wrong, but that's based on what I researched. That's what I was able to find. Got this at my local gun shop, and it was pretty cheap. And I've always wanted a double barrel shotgun with the hammers, and I was able to find this one. I don't know too much about this, so I did some research, and that's what I came across. This is a 30-inch Union Machine double barrel hammer, Damascus barrels. The barrels are Damascus steel, if I'm saying it right. It's really nice. I cleaned it up a little bit because it was just really dirty and stuff. The owner of the shop said that it wouldn't hurt to clean it up, but not to do any bluing, just to leave it the way it is. So that's what I did. I like the way it looks anyways. It looks vintage, antique. Here we got the hammers. It's very strong. On the side there, little damage, but again, it's from the 1800s, so I guess you can say it's a survivor. So Union Machine 30-inch double barrel. I'm not sure what material this is, but it's very solid. Here we got the gun. Open it up for you guys. Side there. Boom. It's a really beautiful gun. If you like me, that you like to have guns with history, this is a nice shotgun that you can probably find if you're lucky at a shop. And like I said, it shouldn't be that much money. Maybe one that's in really, really good condition, you're probably looking at as high as 1,000, maybe. Anywhere like something maybe around this condition, you can get it pretty cheap. Okay, get some detail in there. Foul twist. Very beautiful gun. I just wanted to share it because I tried looking on YouTube and I just didn't see anything really on Union Machine on any guns. So there it is, my 30-inch double barrel Damascus shotgun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and one thing the owner of the shop told me was not to shoot any modern ammo out of this. He said he would just recommend shooting target loads. Nothing more but target loads. Because I guess the pressure or whatever of the newer ammunition would probably just break this thing apart. So definitely don't want to do that. I already got target loads, so next time I go to the range, I'll probably shoot a few rounds out of this baby. All right, guys. Thanks. God bless.